Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on subtraction with trading extension. I have decided to include this lesson as an extension of the previous lessons on subtraction. I believe that students will come to understand this concept with the help of MAB blocks. We will do subtraction with trading for two-digit numbers only at this stage. Now if we look at the first example where we have the ones column and the tens column, this looks very innocent. Doesn't it look the same as what we've done previously? 23 take away 17. But we have a little difficulty. If we look at the ones column, 3 take away 7 we cannot do. Remember, we always start at the right hand side. So the difficulty here occurs in the ones column. The 7 is larger than the 3. So at this stage we cannot subtract the 7 from the 3. This is where we use trading as follows. Now what I've done here, I have made this sum using MAB blocks. Let's have a quick look at it. This number is 23, so 10, 20, 23. That's easy to see. No problems understanding that. Take away 17. So you've got a 10 and 7 ones. So 23 take away 17. Now what I've done here to make it easy to understand, I have rearranged these MAB blocks into two columns, the tens column and the ones column. Now this is how we overcome the difficulty. See the difficulty here where this 7 is greater than the 3? This is how we overcome the difficulty. We take this 10 here, see that there, that 10 there, we take that and we change it to 10 ones. That's what we do, because this is really 10 ones. So when we take that long there and change it to 10 ones, this is what we get. In the tens column we only have one long, and here are the 10 ones. And here are the 3 we had originally. So look what we have in the ones column now. 10 plus 3, we've got 13 ones in the ones column. Now the 17 remains the same. There's 1 10 and 7 ones. Now we can do the sum, because look at this. Here we have 13 ones, and here we have 7 ones. 13 take away 7 gives you 6. So we have 6 ones. So that's that column. So the ones column has a 6 in it. Let's have a look at the tens column. One lot of 10 take away one lot of 10 gives you 0. So you don't have to put the 0 in. So in other words, the answer is 6. And the answer is only in the ones column. Now let's have a look at the next example so that we can consolidate this learning. Example 2, 34 take away 18. Here we have the same challenge. 4 take away 8 we cannot do. So we're going to do some rearrangement. Now in the first instance I have done exactly what we did in the previous video. I've made the numbers out of MAB blocks with a tens column and a ones column. So the 34 is there, the 18 is there. That's very easy to understand. Here's your minus sign, and that's where the answer will go. This time we're going to take this 10 here, see that? And we're going to change that into 10 ones. And we're only going to be left with 2 tens in the tens column. So here are the 2 tens that are in the tens column, and here are the 10 ones that we changed. So this long here becomes 10 ones, and here are the original 4 ones. So look what we have here now. We have 14 ones, and we're taking away 10 plus 8 is 18. So that's still 18, but now we can do it because look, 14 ones, take away 8 ones, gives you 6 ones. So in the ones column we have a 6. 2 tens, take away 1 10, leaves us with 1 10. So the answer is 16, which is 1 10 and 6 ones. Let's look at the last example. Here we're doing 42 take away 13. 2 take away 3 we cannot do. So here we have our 42, here we have our 13, and there's our subtraction sign. We're going to take this 10 here, and we're going to change it to 10 ones, which will leave us with 3 tens in the tens column. Here are the 3 tens in the tens column. Here are the 10 ones, plus the original 2 gives us 12 ones. Now we can do the sum. 12 take away 3 gives us 9, so it'll be 9 in the ones column. 1, 2, 3 tens take away 1 10 gives us 2 tens, so the answer is 29. So how about that for a wonderful way to do subtraction with trading? And this is probably your first introduction to that, and I'm pretty confident you've understood it.